So far, our car's been sitting under a tree for 4 years. The few things that didn't work was a few light bulbs were burned out, and the backup light socket had dry rotted. So the only other thing was this speaker right here for the AC Delco Bose system or whatever it is. This speaker didn't work. So what I did was I'm going to take the speaker out today, and I pulled this connector apart. And I noticed that these two connectors were dry rotted because while it sat, water seeped in here and I guess got into under the carpet and dry rotted this connector and rusted it out. So I thought, well, maybe it still works. So I plugged it back together. I pulled out the positive ends that were already broken, connected them back together. Now it works. So now all I got to do is splice those wires back together, and we're good to go. All right, so here's the solution. It's not the prettiest, but all this was is the power wires to the amp, and spliced them back together, and it was free, and now it works. So I think that's all that matters.